Welcome to SimuLyve On Demand for clinical trial training. Instead of having to present GCP training, safety reporting, OC, RDC, publications, or other types of similar trainings redundantly at every investigator meeting, these types of clinical trainings can now live on demand in the SimuLyve cloud. This means that your trainings can be accessed 24/7 by all of your clinical staff at their convenience. The SimuLyve team has been working diligently for years to bring you an absolutely amazing and exciting virtual experience. Everything we do is designed to simulate a live face-to-face meeting. That's why it's called SimuLyve. We've harnessed new technologies that allow your clinical staff to be as engaged virtually as they would be in a face-to-face meeting. Our sophisticated virtual technology is designed to not just help improve learning, but to make learning enjoyable. This leads to more compliance and better studies. So how does SimuLyve On Demand for clinical training work? First, at the SimuLyve Studios, we'll create customized trainings for you, with the final product being a professional, polished SimuLyve experience that expresses your training message and your information. These unique SimuLyve trainings intermix your presentation, interactive learning, HD video, and the presenter into a contemporary viewing experience. SimuLyve is today's communication, not yesterday's PowerPoint. Here's what your training can look like with SimuLyve.
Hello, and welcome to the Good Clinical Practice Training Program for clinical research site staff. Clinical research requires thorough and concise documentation in order to provide complete and valid data for evaluation of the results. And ultimately, data are reported to and inspected by health authorities and sponsors.
SimuLyve training videos are filmed not only in our studios, but around the globe. We have crews in every corner of the world. In the US, in New Jersey, Chicago, Boston, LA. We have crews in Basel, Switzerland, Horsham, England, Paris, France, Hyderabad, India, Beijing, virtually everywhere. All we need to videotape is a conference room at your offices, or we'll book one at a local hotel. We'll set up a green screen, a few lights, a microphone, and we're ready to produce your trainings on site at your location. In addition to creating trainings for you, we can also place your trainings that you've created and a recording of your investigator meeting in the SimuLyve cloud for on-demand access. Then we simply give your study and sponsor personnel access to SimuLyve, where they can easily be trained and certified on demand. Not only will this save you time and money, but by putting trainings in the cloud, it will reduce the length of your investigator meeting agenda by nearly a day. Let's take a quick tour of how SimuLyve On Demand works. After providing your list of viewer names to the SimuLyve team, your study personnel will receive an invitation to access SimuLyve On Demand. At the login page, they'll attest that they are the individual associated with their email and that they will personally view the trainings in their entirety. This is legally binding and meets strict regulatory standards. Enter their username and password, and they're in. If they're an investigator, investigator trainings will be displayed. If they're a coordinator, study coordinator trainings will be displayed. For each role, only the trainings they need to watch will be shown. Learning is simple. For some trainings, like GCP, all they need to do is press play, watch the video, sit back and learn. For software training, such as OC, RDC, study personnel can get hands-on experience through the SimuLyve e-learning system. At any time, the viewer can ask a question, and an answer will be provided by phone or email. If they want to stop, quit and start again, SimuLyve will remember where they left off, and they can continue viewing later. A viewing barometer will track their progress for each piece of content. They can watch content in any order until they have completed all of their trainings. The viewing meter at the top of the page will track their overall progress. If they would like a copy of the slides, they can download them with the click of a button. When they've completed their training, in some cases they'll be required to pass a quiz. This can be anything from a few questions to a rigorous testing process. After completing all training and testing, your study personnel will then be electronically issued a certificate of completion, which they can save or print. SimuLyve will further protect you in case of an audit by storing all data and certificates in the cloud. And you'll be provided with detailed reports so that you can be assured that every individual is trained, certified, and compliant. SimuLyve On Demand for clinical trial training is designed to be powerful, yet easy to use. Want to learn more? Simply click How to use this website. Need help? Just click the Help button. The virtual world of SimuLyve, both on demand and online live for investigator meetings and clinical training, has been in use for many years. But now, with standardized training for clinical trials available in the cloud, the power of SimuLyve is even greater and can help you reduce cost, streamline processes, and shorten study startup time. To use SimuLyve On Demand for clinical trial training or to host a virtual SimuLyve Investigator meeting, contact sales@simulyve.com. And for more information, visit simulyve.com. It's not webcasting, it's SimuLyve.